Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make something a little bit different. It's my rice cooker cooked garlic chicken pilaf. Alright, sounds a bit weird, it's not. I saw this on a review channel and I worked out how to make this. Alright, I'm going to get a nice big knob of butter. I'll put that aside, just like that. It's probably around about 20 grams worth of butter. Here I've got some chicken thighs. I'm using 3 chicken thighs. It probably equate to around about 350 grams. You can use a little bit more or less, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these up into nice little tiny chunks. Alright, around about sort of 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre's worth. Right, just nice little chunks like that, nice and thin, nice and small. We don't need to go crazy on this recipe at all. So what we're going to do, chop all that up just like that. Really, really simple. And I'm going to use the rice cooker today. And thank God I've got an old rice cooker that I can use. This poor old thing here. I've got 2 cups of white rice. That's a long grain rice. You can use whatever rice you like, but that's what we are using today. Right, into the rice cooker that goes. Right, all of our chicken thigh chunks, that's going to go straight in on top of our rice, just like that. Really simple. And here I've got 4 cloves of freshly crushed garlic. I'm not using my garlic paste like I normally do. This is fresh garlic, really nice and strong. Give all of that a good stir through, just like I'm doing right there. Alright, so far so simple. And if you haven't tried making your own pilaf before, it's not that hard. Here I've got 2, maybe 3 spring onions. Giving those a really rough chop, just like that. And I'm going to add in 2 cups, maybe 2 1/3 cups worth of chicken stock. That can go straight in, just like that, into our rice cooker. Really, really simple. Now it's going to be time for you to organise what you want to serve on. Add our 20 grams worth of butter on top. Really simple. And put the lid on. And we're going to basically turn that on and wait till it pops. Wait till it says, yep, I'm cooked, I'm done, that's it. Right, this is how easy this dish is to do. Alright, so it's going to take you around about sort of anywhere between 15 to 20 to 25 minutes for that rice to cook off. It's going to fluff up, that chicken is going to cook off, all those chicken flavours are going to infuse into the rice as well as the garlic. And look at that, it's already nice and fluffy. Alright, let's serve up. I'm going to serve this up in a couple of bowls with a little bit of salad on the side, just like that. Love to see you try and make this one at home because that is so easy. 1 pot, 1 ingredient, and just a $20 rice cooker. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. And if you didn't like the video, hit the like button because I said so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them, and I respond to every single comment. In the meantime, you want to learn a real cool kitchen hack just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll talk my rice cooker cooks garlic chicken pilaf, and I will catch you next time. Bye.